When you think of algae, what do you imagine? Perhaps you picture a green blob that's slimy and smelly, and is a pest in ponds and aquariums. That's what I thought, until I discovered a unique artist called Klaus Kemp. This is what diatoms, a group of microalgae, looks like under the microscope. Kemp arranges each diatom, which are no bigger than 0.5 millimeters, into amazing patterns displaying the silica houses that the diatom builds. Structures that are so complex that scientists don't even fully understand how they make them. With an estimated 800,000 species of microalgae, there is no limit to the shapes, patterns, and structures they make. Who knew something so small looked this beautiful? Not only are they fun to look at, but they're so much more important than we would expect. For example, did you know that 80% of the world's oxygen is produced by phytoplankton and algae? Some of Britain's most fascinating wildlife can be found where there is water, both on a macroscopic and microscopic level, although you may be pleased that some of these microorganisms are not visible to the naked eye. This is a hydra, a tentacle-bearing animal related to jellyfish. They use specialized cells called nematocysts, cells which shoot out harpoon-like projectiles that are used to catch their prey. They also have the amazing ability to regrow tentacles, and are found in nearly any water source, including your pond. Luckily, they are usually no larger than 5 millimeters. The hydra will use those nematocysts to hunt creatures like this Daphnia, a small freshwater crustacean that feeds on algae and bacteria, and is the prey of many other organisms such as tadpoles and insect larvae, making them vital to a healthy freshwater ecosystem. Another organism with great ecological importance is this rotifer. Rotifers come in many shapes and sizes, but all have a distinctive set of jaws that appear to spin. They use cilia, small hair-like structures, to catch their food such as bacteria, algae, and dead organic matter, making them one of nature's greatest living recycling machines. Perhaps my favourite thing about these busy little guys is that they can rebuild their DNA after being destroyed by radiation. There is just so much to discover through the use of a microscope. Countless of brilliant microorganisms that deserve way more recognition and will spark curiosity in anybody who sees them. Unfortunately, threats such as climate change and habitat destruction threaten their existence, so I always want to be able to use microscopy to unlock a deeper level of ecological understanding in the public, all the while showcasing such fantastic creatures before it's too late.